Welcome to Gardening English Shadowing.
Hi. Today we're learning 50 easy phrases about plants.
How do we practice?
Just listen carefully, then repeat after us.
Ready to grow your English skills?
Yes. Let's get started.
Do you like gardening? Do you like gardening?
Yes. So relaxing. Yes. So relaxing.
I want to start a garden. I want to start a garden.
That's great. Start small. That's great. Start small.
Where should I plant? Where should I plant?
A sunny spot is best. A sunny spot is best.
Do I need a big yard? Do I need a big yard?
No. Pots work too. No. Pots work too.
What should I grow first? What should I grow first?
Try herbs. They're easy. Try herbs. They're easy.
Like basil or mint? Like basil or mint?
Yes. Both grow fast. Yes. Both grow fast.
How much sun do plants need? How much sun do plants need?
Most need 6 hours a day. Most need 6 hours a day.
What about water? What about water?
Water when soil is dry. Water when soil is dry.
Can I grow plants indoors? Can I grow plants indoors?
Yes. Succulents are perfect. Yes. Succulents are perfect.
This is fun. Thanks for the tips. This is fun. Thanks for the tips.
Anytime. Happy gardening. Anytime. Happy gardening.
What seeds should I buy? What seeds should I buy?
Tomatoes are easy to grow. Tomatoes are easy to grow.
When do I plant them? When do I plant them?
In spring after frost. In spring after frost.
How deep do I plant seeds? How deep do I plant seeds?
Just cover them with soil. Just cover them with soil.
How long until they grow? How long until they grow?
About 1 to 2 weeks. About 1 to 2 weeks.
Can I grow flowers too? Can I grow flowers too?
Yes, sunflowers are fun. Yes, sunflowers are fun.
Do flowers need special care? Do flowers need special care?
Just sun and regular water. Just sun and regular water.
What about vegetables? What about vegetables?
Lettuce and carrots are simple. Lettuce and carrots are simple.
Can I mix flowers and veggies? Can I mix flowers and veggies?
Yes, it looks beautiful. Yes, it looks beautiful.
Where do I buy seeds? Where do I buy seeds?
Garden stores are online. Garden stores are online.
I'm excited to see them grow. I'm excited to see them grow.
Me too. Nature is amazing. Me too. Nature is amazing.
How often should I water? How often should I water?
Check soil first. If dry, water. Check soil first. If dry, water.
Morning or evening? Morning or evening?
Morning is best. Morning is best.
Can I overwater plants? Can I overwater plants?
Yes, too much water hurts roots. Yes, too much water hurts roots.
How do I know if a plant is thirsty? How do I know if a plant is thirsty?
Leaves look droopy. Leaves look droopy.
What about fertilizer? What about fertilizer?
Use it once a month. Use it once a month.
Is natural fertilizer okay? Is natural fertilizer okay?
Yes, compost works great. Yes, compost works great.
Do I need to prune plants? Do I need to prune plants?
Yes, cut dead leaves. Yes, cut dead leaves.
When should I prune? When should I prune?
In early spring. In early spring.
What if leaves turn yellow? What if leaves turn yellow?
Could be too much water. Could be too much water.
Thanks. I'll take good care of them. Thanks. I'll take good care of them.
You've got this. You've got this.
What tools do I need? What tools do I need?
A trowel and gloves to start. A trowel and gloves to start.
Where do I get them? Where do I get them?
Any garden center. Any garden center.
Do I need a watering can? Do I need a watering can?
Yes, or a hose with gentle spray. Yes, or a hose with gentle spray.
What about pots? What about pots?
Make sure they have drainage holes. Make sure they have drainage holes.
Plastic or clay pots? Plastic or clay pots?
Clay breathes better. Clay breathes better.
Do I need soil special for pots? Do I need soil special for pots?
Yes, use potting mix. Yes, use potting mix.
What's a trowel for? What's a trowel for?
Digging small holes for plants. Digging small holes for plants.
Are gloves important? Are gloves important?
Yes, protects your hands. Yes, protects your hands.
Can I use old containers as pots? Can I use old containers as pots?
Sure. Just add holes for water. Sure. Just add holes for water.
I love my new gardening tools. I love my new gardening tools.
They make gardening so much easier. They make gardening so much easier.
When can I harvest tomatoes? When can I harvest tomatoes?
When they're red and soft. When they're red and soft.
How do I pick herbs? How do I pick herbs?
Snip the tops. They'll grow back. Snip the tops. They'll grow back.
What if bugs eat my plants? What if bugs eat my plants?
Use natural spray or pick them off. Use natural spray or pick them off.
Are ladybugs good? Are ladybugs good?
Yes, they eat bad bugs. Yes, they eat bad bugs.
My plant isn't growing. Why? My plant isn't growing. Why?
Maybe it needs more sun. Maybe it needs more sun.
Can I move a plant? Can I move a plant?
Yes, but do it gently. Yes, but do it gently.
What if it rains too much? What if it rains too much?
Make sure pots drain well. Make sure pots drain well.
How do I save seeds for next year? How do I save seeds for next year?
Dry them and store in a jar. Dry them and store in a jar.
Gardening is harder than I thought. Gardening is harder than I thought.
But so rewarding, right? But so rewarding, right?
Yes. I can't wait to see my garden grow. Yes. I can't wait to see my garden grow.
Me too. Let's check on it tomorrow. Me too. Let's check on it tomorrow.